lost our mailbox and our tree. The Ford's still here, that's all that really matters to me. Now we're feeding it right. It's blowing hard, man. It's blowing hard. I'm gonna beat it to this morning.
Care in the world, but mommy and daddy standing by. But happily ever after fails, and we've been poisoned by these fairy tales. The lawyers dwell on small details since daddy had to fly. Oh, but I know a place where we can go, still untouched by men. Watch the clouds roll back, the tall grass waves in the wind. You can lay your head back on the ground, let your hair fall all around you. Offer up your best defense. This is the end. This is the end of the innocence. Skies, now those skies are threatening. They're beating plowshares into swords for this tired old man that we elected king. Armchair warriors often fail, and we've been poisoned by these fairy tales. The lawyers clean up all details since daddy